Hi guys, so today's video is going to be another JA Women Wednesday video, and I think Felfie, I can't pronounce her name, I'll put her name up on the screen, asked me where I get my lipstick. So I'm gonna tell you guys where I get my lipstick from. I'm going to show you guys swatches of how they look and all that. So if you want to see this video and all about my summer 2017 favorite lipstick and liquid lipstick, I have lipstick, liquid lipstick, mostly liquid lipstick in this video. So if you want to see those, please keep on watching your girl. So the first brand we're gonna start with is Color Drain, and Color Drain is a American based website, and it's a black owned website. So a black woman is the one that owns this, and the first one I'm going to be swatching is Mars, and I just got the little ones to travel with and to test out. A good thing with like liquid lipsticks and stuff, if they come in like little sample size like this, get them, try them out, see if you like them before you actually waste your money and spend on them, and then you hate the formula, you hate how it feels, because liquid lipsticks are very drying, but these ones are not so much. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this is what I use to prep my lips before I put on liquid lipstick, and this is the Sugar Smooth 03 from Milan. from Milani on my skin. This is a more metallic finish. I really like it. So while this is drying on my lips, I'm going to show you guys my favorite lip gloss. And this is the Shine Shot by Maybelline. This is Mary Kay at Play lip gloss teddy bear, and this one is in teddy bear. And then this is the Mary Kay at Play in puppy love, and then I have another red one from Mary Kay. So I really love Mary Kay lip glosses. And then if I want my lips to be like real shiny, I dab on a little bit of the Maybelline Shine Shot. So these are my favorite lip glosses, because in this video I show you guys a lot of liquid lipsticks because I love liquid lipsticks, and my man also love liquid lipsticks. When I give him a kiss, you know, if you worry about no lipstick that come off pan him face and all that. So that's why I love liquid lipsticks. So this is dry, and this is how it looks. So this is the end of the video. Comment down below, tell me what your favorite lipstick shade was. I'm gonna number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So comment in the comment section and tell me which one was your favorite. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man.